reasons. Because a professor of philosophy as such is always wrong. Philosophy means intellect, reasoning, thinking, argumentativeness. And this is the way to be wrong. Because you cannot be in love with existence if you are argumentative. Argument is the barrier. If you argue, you are closed. The whole existence closes to you. Then you are not open and the existence is not open to you. When you argue, you assert. Assertion is violence, aggression. And the truth cannot be known by an aggressive mind. The truth cannot be discovered by violence. You can come to know the truth only when you are in love. But love never argues. There is no argument in love because there is no aggression. And remember, that man was not only a professor of philosophy, you are also the same. Every man carries his own philosophy. And every man in his own way is a professor because you profess your ideas. You believe in them. You have opinions, concepts. And because of opinions and concepts, your eyes are dull. They cannot see. Your mind is stupid. It cannot know. Ideas create stupidity. Because more the ideas are there, the more mind is burdened. And how a burdened mind can know? More the ideas are there, it is just like dust which has gathered on a mirror. How the